Hey all, Shane here. Quick update on some work we're doing on the SEO side of inbound marketing team. So we're onboarding a new agency called Salt. And Salt is an SEO agency, and they're going to do two things for us. So they're going to do all the things an SEO agency normally does for a company like GitLab. They're going to help us identify areas we can improve the marketing site, areas we can improve the product from an SEO perspective, areas where we can make changes to be more competitive, identify strategies and tactics that we can use that other companies are using in our space. And then they're also going to help us use something called Sloth Cloud, which is a tool that they've developed that is a SEO in your CDN tool. So basically, what it will allow us to do is make targeted changes to pages based on where they live in our folder structure, and then to tell our CDN to treat that page in a certain way. So, for example, if we're looking at the handbook and there are pages in the handbook that have a duplicate page title, so it's GitLab. It just has GitLab in the page title because it's not. There's a missing title for that page. So we can tell this tool to say, okay, anything in this folder, if it meets this criteria of having a duplicate page title, then I want to use the H1 of that page instead. That's just an example. That's not exactly what we're going to be doing at first, at least. It's going to help us manage redirects and do some additional infrastructure changes to the SEO of the website that we've done similar to redirects in the past, but manage that all through Cloudflare. So a lot of capabilities, a lot of opportunities. At this point, we're not focused on the Sloth Cloud side of things because we still need to migrate the marketing site to Cloudflare. Currently, the marketing site is hosted CDN-wise through Fastly. And so we're going to be working towards, helping to push that migration forward any way that we can, and then once that migration is live, using Sloth Cloud to improve SEO for the marketing website specifically. So just a quick update. So if you see Salt floating around, I mentioned Salt in other places. They are an SEO agency that are going to help us on the strategy and tactics side, and then also some tooling around managing SEO from our CDN. So if you have any questions, feel free to hit me up. There's also a SEO subgroup now in growth marketing in GitLab, so you can follow along there for any issues, or if you have questions, you want to raise an issue there, please do. In the meantime, until we talk again,